Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra became official yesterday, making an important change in the direction of the mainstream Zenfone line of the company. The phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and the latest AI bangs and whistles, but it comes at a significant change from the predecessors. The Zenfone 11 Ultra is identical to the ROG Phone 8 Pro in terms of design that has been altered to suggest it's targeting a more mainstream audience. The 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with Full HD plus resolution and up to 144Hz refresh rate. Peak brightness is at 2500 nits and the panel is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. There's a single punch hole for the 32 megapixel camera. Around the back, it has a triple megapixel setup. A first for the Asus Zenfone line since 2021. The main camera is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with Asus patented 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 3.0. It has a 13 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide camera and a 32 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The presentation focused on AI, which is the theme this year for all phones, which enables the bokeh and portrait video mode and helps track the user's object space. The other highlighted features include transcription sound, call translation, noise cancellation, and AI wallpaper. It comes with the largest 5500 mAh battery that supports 65-watt charger and 15-watt wireless charger. The company will not ship an adapter in the box, joining the other companies. That gives you flagship experience. The bottom of the phone is crowded. You get a 3.5mm audio jack. Only 2 companies apart from Sony are giving it. A speaker grill, a SIM tray, a USB Type-C port and microphone. Connectivity, it gives Bluetooth 5.4 and is Wi-Fi 7 ready. It comes in 4 colors, that is Skyline Blue, Eternal Black, Misty Grey and Desert Sound. It has a starting price of around £870 for 12 to 56 GB option with €100 discount during the pre-order. Meaning you can buy the top of tier flagship with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset for €900. The 16 512 GB version has a regular price of €1,100. Despite coming with stockish Android, they are copying the Apple notification panel with a split, which is horrible. And they are only giving 2 years of Android updates and 4 years security. But you charge a price like bomb, similar to Samsung, where Samsung gives you 7 years, and you only give for 2 years, and you'll cry your phone doesn't send letter. Very weird.